Now, while dealing with strings, one thing that we need to learn is an operator called as the slicing operator, which is there even for the other data structures. That is, if I say s is equal to hello world, right, I can say s of 4 maybe an O, but if I say s of 2 colon 6, enter, or s of 2 colon 7. Start from the second element. What is the second element? L. Go up till 7. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it just went up till 6, which means this is included, but this is excluded. So slicing operator slices a particular string and gives you a slice of it. Returns a slice. So if you say slice from 2 till nothing, which means till the end. If I say slice from nothing till 7, which means from start till 6. Okay. Now, if I say start from nothing till 8, it will be something like this. But if I say in steps of 2, which means h, it first takes h and then it increments by 2 instead of increment by 1. L, then increment by 2. O, then W. So this is giving you a step size. So if there is 2 colons, it's about a step size. So if I say s of colon 2, which means from start to end in steps of 2. Correct? Okay. That's about s. Now, let me say that's about a particular string. That's about if I want to change the step size, let's say I want to start printing from 8 and I want to go all the way up till 1. Okay, if I just do it like this, it will not print anything. Why? Because the step size is 1. I need to change it to -1, which means it will start from 8, go up till, not up till 1 because this is exclusive. 1 is exclusive, it will go up till 2 and in steps of -1. What if I do something like this? Start, end in steps of -1. It will print you the entire string in the reverse order. So maybe you can have a simple program which says, I'll just save it as palindrome, right? So let me say I take a string from the user, I tell him input, enter a string. Okay, so I need to tell the user whether it is a palindrome or not a palindrome. What is the meaning of a palindrome? A palindrome is a string which reads the same whether it is madam. Can you see it reads the same from front or from behind? That's a string. So how do I tell the user? So all I need to do is I need to say if s is equal to the reverse of the string. How do you get the reverse of a string? By saying colon -1. All I need to print is it's a palindrome, else you need to say not a palindrome. Oops, else print not a palindrome, right? So this is about printing it up. Cool. Yeah. So F5, okay. Enter a string, madam, palindrome. Enter a string, hello, not a palindrome, because it is not the same from reverse to. So this is about the slicing operator. Hope you learned quite some things about strings now. We'll go on to the next data type, that is lists.